thanks so much for joining me. So I've got another fantastic origami fold idea for you today, and it is an envelope that has 8 tuck-in spots or places to put ephemera, cards, tags, whatever, and it also will all open back out for journaling. So you need either A4 or letter size paper. This is not my idea, by the way. Origami, you know, it's been around forever. Some ancient monk up some ancient mountain invented it, not me. So you turn it that way, and what first thing you're going to do is put corner to corner. You're not creasing the whole way, okay? And I'm just using this for demonstration purposes. But A4 or letter size, okay? And crease about 1 inch, okay? About 1 inch there in the middle, so that you can clearly see where the middle is. Then go from the left, and I'm actually going to just turn it that way to make sure I get it straight, and fold along where that crease is, okay? And get it as straight as you can. Crease, okay? And then turn it and do the same with the opposite corner. I'm just going to do it that way, okay? So you want them to meet nicely, okay? Take your time, no rush. No prizes for first place. Okay, then you go top left, and you're going to pull that down, and you're going to go at an angle, but you're going to put it straight across where your other folds are, okay, like so. Okay, just take your time to line it up a bit so that it's nice and neat, although, you know, there's a lot of room for error here. Okay, so you've got this kind of funky look. And you want to turn it over, and then you want to fold all of this, okay, so that this part is about halfway on there. Let me demonstrate. So we're folding up, we're not folding to there, okay, we're not folding all the way to the top. We're going to fold till we've got more or less an envelope shape, but if you look here, okay, on the back, it's about just under halfway, okay, not exactly halfway, just under halfway up that envelope, okay, and make sure it's straight, about halfway. There's no exact measurement, okay, just play with it, okay, give it all a good crease, and then this bit here, fold it down straight along the edge of there, like so, give it a crease, and then this just simply tucks inside there, okay. Give it all a crease. Let's have a look. So you've got a very, very pretty looking envelope, and it's very pretty on both sides. You want a double-sided paper. I haven't even took the borders off mine. I think it looks nice. Okay, this is just printer paper. So let me show you where the tuck spots are. So you have got a tuck spot there, 1, there, 2, up there, 3, up there, 4. Turn it over, 5, 6, you've got a little one there, 7, and then obviously if you undo this, you've got inside the envelope, which is 8. 8 tuck spots in this, which you can utilise in your journaling. Okay, I've just got it creased, and that will lay lovely. Okay, you can put as much or as little as you like in. You could even just have it like that without adding, you know, things in the tucks. And then obviously you can literally take your journaling card out and unfold the whole thing, and you have got journaling, a full sheet of journaling. Okay, so shall I show you one more time? I will. So you find the centre, of your page, give it a squeeze about 1.5 inches worth, so you've got a defined crease there that you can see. Then you fold from the left corner to the middle where you've made that crease, from the right corner to the middle where you've made that crease. Then you go top left corner down flush with here, okay, and you turn the whole thing over with the point on the right, and you lift this up so that it's about, if you see the edge of there, it's just under halfway, okay. Then you lift that down, you tuck it in, my paper keeps creasing there. Give it a good burnish, and what a lovely, lovely little envelope, and it looks pretty. on both sides. Give it a go and have some fun, make a heap of them and stick them in your journals or stick them wherever you like. Thanks for watching. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.